Simu, which invented the tubular motor for roller shutters over half a century ago, is now consolidating the progress it has made in motorization applications for buildings. For over 50 years, Simu has been working hand in glove with building closure manufacturers and assemblers. On the strength of these close relationships of mutual trust, Simu has developed performance and quality-driven products for them throughout this time. Simu has become a key global player in the closures market with over 10 million of its motors installed all over the world. While the city of Gray in Franche-Comté, eastern France, houses the Policy and Historical Centre, with premises that occupy over 25,000 square meters, the value of Simu's products and services come into their own all over the globe. In the best interests of its customers, Simu has adopted the supply chain management solution, which makes the very best of information flow management at all stages of customer relations and manufacturing. Sales administration is the first contact point for customers. Simu's telesales staff in Gray and the many Simu subsidiaries handle customers' specific demands and enter orders into the computer-assisted production management tool. The orders are logged in the production schedule, which triggers parts procurement from the warehouse. The motors are then assembled on the production lines. Automated robots carry out specific operations, whereas others require the intervention and skill of qualified operators. Through significant investment,